I know if I got that Nike Tech on film, look at that. It's just a coincidence that I already do this on the film. But today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to deactivate your rev limiter on your Charger, Challenger, RT. You can't have the little electronic knob. You gotta have the actual shifter that you gotta pull down. I'm gonna show y'all what mine looks like to delete it or deactivate it, not delete it. Alright, let me turn the air off, y'all. So I don't too much know the math behind it. If we being honest, bro, I don't know why you do it. But so basically, when you rev it, you see how far it go. Like 4 or 5. Now when you do what I'm gonna tell you to do, you can get to 6, which is dangerous. I don't let it go all the way to 6. I just hit it so it's loud enough. But it's dangerous because if you redline that bitch, blow your engine. But you gotta have one of these. It can't be, like the Chrysler 300s have. My shit dirty. It can't be like the Chrysler 300s have and stuff where you got the little button right here and you pull it back like that. Gotta be one of these. Gotta be. Alright. Alright, y'all. So this what it sound like on the inside. I'm gonna get an outside view too. So what you do is foot on the brake. You put it in reverse. You see it's in reverse. And you slide it into park slowly. So you gotta slowly. And once you feel your car jerk, but the backup camera light's still on, then you hit it. Yep, like that. Now let's get an outside view.